You can change bitaw the prices and rooms and availability sa kuan sa all your booking sites, and also see the reservation coming in. Kana makita nimo kung namin nga reservation na po na na-reserve tas kanang actually nakakuan siya sa kita nimo ma-change nimo ang price ug iyang rooms sa iyang availability. Dayon Family 360 hotels says system EMS CRM or RMS. So example, banta siya kanang by anin ko ang EMS na smooth ra bitaw ang dagan sa hotel. So works well with your current hotel software and managing guests. So software bitaw ang pagdagan sa pag-manage sa hotel, sa booking. Then it's over providing guests. Then providing analytics and reporting able to analyze stock channel performance. So, siya bitaw may mag-track, siya may mag-give of data to see what is the key size and working best for your hotel. So, ang siya na-prepare, nag-provide siya o kanang data para makita nimo ang isa itong nagpa-book sites or kanang one the best nga nakuan sa inyong hotel. So, providing full inventory models or booking platforms to maximize your government sales. Kanang so in simple word, mag-adjust. Siya, mag-change of price, setting up special deals, and managing which rooms are available and when. So, makita nyo dito sa channel video, makita nyo dito or mag-change nyo ang price, makita nyo dito kung na may available na room, basta na siya nakuha. It also changing price. Customizing and setting room rates, class availability, and restriction. Also changing